Sanibonani. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. So now guys, ngifuna kune clip engitholile kuthiwa ke this is ubabomncane kaMihlali Ndamase. This is Mihlali Ndamase stepfather actually. We know kuthiwa ubaba Rene Chitende, something like that. I think it's Rene or Rene. I don't know how they pronounce it. Le voice record. Ilethwa kuMusa Khawula on Twitter. Abhala athi this is Mihlali Ndamase's stepfather cheating on Mihlali Ndamase's mother, uPhumla Ndamase. So before I can say a whole lot of things, ngicela siyomamela le clip nyana le ngoba wow. I've got a lot to say but ngiyasaba but ngicela ukuthambisa imamela ibuya noMusa Khawula ukuthi uyithethephi kubani kanjani kodwa kuthiwa ke ubaba kaMihlali babomncane cheating emsebenzini with his colleague mhlambe sebe bahlukana then ugirl wathatha leyo recording and maybe used it against lo baba lona umuntu omdala ongaka and izinto azikhulumile hayisuka.
Yo, Stando Sam, there is a pair of sex Izolo that I cannot forget it. And even Jengamanje, I'm still thinking about it. Whereby ngafaka nje ipipi lami kuyimomozi without moving, without ufenda, ngiyayiyeka nje ihlale phakathi and ngayisikhathi imili pipi kuyimomozi and I remember it was breathing, it was breathing inside imomozi yakho. Yo, the way it was nice and you were wet and then we were holding each other tight, very tight. Ipipi ihlala nje ihleli ihlala nje phakathi imomozi. Yo, I can't forget that part. The enjoyment ayingeke.
So I'm thinking mangabe is the colleague kusho ukuthi mhlambe kwakusamnandi ngalezo nkathi ke kwase kusho ukuthi kuyafika isikhathi sokuthi mhlambe kupaye ngoba ngeke phela umuntu aza ku expose izinto zingaka expire mntakabawo zizothi mase zi expire umuntu aku expose uyenzelani I recording. You're a married man, so why are you doing such ama recording anje? Like really? So intombazane yathi hayi ngizoyigcina le recording yazi ngizomthola and it's a colleague. Yabona makunjena ke nasemsebenzini ke izinto zisuke ke mntakababa sezi wrong, yonke into say wrong because now he's exposed. This is all over social media. Mihlali Ndamase is like an influencer. She's a social media girl. She is a socialite mntakababa. So these trends njengamanje le clip iya trend le recording le, imagine isidima umama kaMihlali Ndamase guys ngabantu abadala laba. I'm like baba hayi malume nawe no. We are an elder. Such a recording uyazazi ukuthi uya married and uyajola nalapha emsebenzini and you do your things, uyakhuluma nalomuntu wakho. Avoid ke ama recording anjena, guys. Khuluma abantu abadala nginamahloni kunje namahloni even to talk about it, because this what I just listened here is so embarrassing. I'm even embarrassed on his behalf ngomuntu omdala. Can you imagine things that he said in this recording? Amantombazana athanda kubeka guys ama proofs babeke nje ama recording bathatha ama video belele nabo bathatha babeka ama recording and bayazi ukuthi when things go south they are exposed. Why are you recording such? And what are you talking about there? Like ukhuluma ngani umuntu? Hey, ukhuluma ngani like wow. uMusa Khawula naye wow. Yeah. Hi guys, I'm learning something. Ukuthi ngempela umjola umuntu omdala. This is what I'm learning here. I know ukuthi abantu abadala kangako, just saying, but hi man. Yo. But anyways, kuthiwa ke this is Mihlali Ndamase stepfather and ubaba ngathi uyaba nelontozana nyana lapha emsebenzini. So ugeli ke angazi ugeli noma mhlawumbe umuntu umama olingana naye exposed him. Angazi uMusa Khawula ithathaphi ihlazo mntakawa, the embarrassment, the humiliation uyanjani ebantwini emphakathini after saying such abantu bakubuka lapha uhamba nomama kaMihlali like real usazokhona yini ukuhamba naye ebantwini after all this abantu bebadala angisho ukuthi abantu abadala melanga bazijabulisa but you are a married one isidima sikamama kaMihlali Ndamase nje isithunzi uzothi mayinyathela lapha ngaphandle ebantwini abantu bavele bacabanga this voice note yo ay shame